QDEL stock analysis is super interesting for me, and all I'm looking to further do, man, is like I'm gonna share the details, but I'm the only guy in the space that's actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all for 5 years straight. Nobody else has done it for 5 years every single day, right? Documented these sort of videos. With QDEL, man, this is just a bearish market, you know. Then out of nowhere we see a little pump. I'm very honestly just gonna say that unless I see a full candle close on this daily chart, right, there's still 4 minutes left, but unless there's a full candle close above 37.20, then there is just literally no way that I'm gonna look to take things up. You know, like, it's just gonna be a bearish range. It's gonna stay as such. Like, obviously no range is gonna stay like this forever because the price will not just consolidate forever. There's obviously timelines to this stuff, but even like on this timeline, if there's like a double break, nothing is stopping me from selling things down, right? It's not forever, it's only for now. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to learn how I'm consistently, again, if it does start breaking, I'm all ears, you know. I'm gonna look for buys. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10k per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.